Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change the password of your personal hotspot on iPhone. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change the password of your personal hotspot on iPhone, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your phone settings. And once you're on your settings, next, I want you to scroll down a little until you see this personal hotspot option right here. Once you've found it, just go and open it. And after that, there it is guys. You will now see the hotspot password option right here. So just go and tap the option to change the password. And then you can now enter the new password that you want to set. And once you're done entering the new password, you can now tap the done button to save your changes. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your iPhone's personal hotspot password will now be changed just like that. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.